Okay, here's a quick tip on cracking a boiled egg. Take a boiled egg, tap, roll, roll, roll. Take that egg, pinch, and start peeling with the thumb. Just maneuver the thumb all around the egg. Me personally, I take my egg after peeling it and I put it in cold water. Why do I put the egg in cold water? A lot of you may not know, but there's also this film that's still always left on the egg. I don't know if one has it, but it's basically if you put it in cold water, it tends to loosen and it falls off. I'll do one more for you. Take a boiled egg, tap, roll, take your thumb, and start. There you have it. Inside the bowl. It's what you call washing that boiled egg. All right. You all stay blessed now. I hope this tip has helped you.